Okay, just imagine for a second that you do not have to do any more team building. You do not have to be victimized by network marketing pimps. No recruiting, no hotel meeting events, no funny founders and or CEOs that can screw up the whole company or take away your downline. No monthly fees, no dropouts, no contracts, and no social media marketing, and absolutely fiat and currency friendly. Now, there's artificial intelligent software available right now that is absolutely doing everything for you. So it's doing the team building for you. It is acting as if it is your network marketing pimp. It will do all your recruiting. It will do all your marketing. It will absolutely pay your monthly fees. It will make sure people will stay. The contracts are set. Social media marketing is done. And then all you have left is a fully automated, all done for you system. No upgrades, no maintenance, absolutely 100% hand-free. When you're interested in that, in an AI, in an artificial intelligence piece of software that is doing every single thing for you, there is a time-limited availability of some founder positions right now. For that, you have to click links underneath to get in, to claim your position. And when you see this on YouTube, for example, there's a little word spelled share underneath. Share this video on your social media platform. So just click on that little word spelled share. Social media icons pop up and you're able to share this video on your social media platforms. Now get back to the person that invited you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. And then when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. I'll send you appropriate video information, won't spam you. So I'm just going to repeat to drive you completely crazy, to drive you bonkers, to really fulfill your dreams and aspirations. At this moment, you do not have to do any more team building. You do not have to play the network marketing pimp. You do not have to do any recruiting. You do not have to organize or attend any hotel meeting events. There's no CEO or founder that is able to walk away with your money, criminal or not criminal. No monthly fees, you hear me well. No monthly fees, no upgrades, no hidden fees, no dropouts, no contracts, and no social media marketing. You literally have to do nothing. In is in. Again, click links underneath this video to secure and to claim your position immediately. And then I'll see you and yours definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world.